Yun po. In behalf of the family, we would like to thank Bastana to help us fulfill our dreams, and especially to Kuya Bugoy. He helped us, or he bring us here safely. Kay Sir Earl at saka kay Baby Girl, sa aking Baby Girl, for their patience. At sana hindi lang din ito yung last na pagkikita natin. Hopefully, magiging successful po ang Bastana, pati ang pagpapatayo, and more projects to come. Congratulations and God bless us all. Thank you po.